Hello guys. So if you see a reflection in my glasses, sorry about that. I am wearing my glasses because these are my computer glasses, and as you guys know, we are working from home. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Sorry I keep looking over there. I'm going to be looking right here. But I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day, low carb / no carb type deal. I know some foods do have carbs in them, but I'm on this little working out type of challenge, like kick with my sister and some of her friends and trainers and stuff like that. And we are doing like no carbs, no bread, no pasta, no potato, no soda, no red meats. So we're doing this thing. It's this whole month, and so I wanted to show you guys what I eat in a day, especially working from home and especially trying to do this healthy kick. And I've just upped my workout gear and all that stuff on my workout plan and all that. But so this is a little vloggy vlog type of deal. So I hope you guys like this type of video. Let me know what you guys think down below. And sorry if I'm moving around too much. I'm like holding my phone on my tripod, but I'm about to sit the tripod down so I can show you guys what I'm about to make for breakfast. So the first meal is breakfast. I'm gonna be having this oatmeal, and sorry I have this on the front camera, so hopefully it's clear. But I'm gonna be doing the Quaker oats, quick 1-minute oats, whole grain. I'm gonna do that. These right here have become like my all-time favorite. These are the Good and Gather double chocolate chunk granola, and I love putting this on top of my oatmeal. I have 1 banana and some almond milk from Trader Joe's. Let me know down below if you like Trader Joe's hauls. I love watching those hauls, and so if you guys want me to do that, then I can. So I'm gonna do 1 cup of oatmeal, of oats, and some almond milk. I like about a little less than a cup here. And then I'm gonna add some water. Usually I do this in the microwave, so it's not like a long process. I feel like even in the microwave, I'm still like, you know, doing too much. I like my oatmeal to be creamy. So I'm gonna add some cinnamon. If you guys can see that. This is Bay, okay? This right here I get from Trader Joe's. It's the Trader Joe's cookie butter bomb. Speculoos, is that what it says or whatever? I use this to drizzle on top. So I try to move quick when I make this breakfast because, like I said, I am working from home, and somebody could ping me / email me any moment now. So I always want to make sure I'm near, you know. So I'm gonna have that oatmeal with my other half of this grapefruit. And what I do with this grapefruit, I'll show you guys that in a second. But first I'm gonna clean up my station a bit and start prepping my fruits that I wanna put on my oatmeal, which would be a banana and some blueberries. So I bought these blueberries, frozen ones, so that I can put it inside of the oatmeal. I've seen someone else do this. Like, I usually do fresh blueberries, but I feel like this kind of gives the oatmeal a wake up type of call by leaving them frozen and then putting them in the pot. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, time to plate the oatmeal. It looks really good. These blueberries are really, really small. I didn't even realize that. There you have it. This is my grapefruit with my honey and cinnamon and my oatmeal bowl, and I drizzled that cookie butter that I showed you guys that was from Trader Joe's, my chocolate little granola that is so good, coconut flakes. I usually would sometimes I'll add strawberries in place of one of these, but I'm out of strawberries, and then the blueberry oatmeal that is on the bottom. So I'm gonna drink this water and eat my breakfast, and I'll be back for what I do throughout the rest of the day. Now it is lunchtime, and I'm gonna have some baked fish. I kind of like smoked it yesterday, and I'm gonna have it with some roasted cauliflower. I'm still trying to get the hang of cauliflower rice, so I'm just gonna roast a few pieces of the cauliflower. All right, guys, so this is the finished product. I actually ended up adding spinach. So the cauliflower, I actually been adding this seasoning too. Let me show you guys. This everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend with sea salt, garlic, and onion. So I've topped this off on top of the cauliflower as well as the spinach. I added a green in there, and then this is a piece of tilapia fish with some red peppers and green onion. So yeah, this is the finished lunch. And I will be back when I decide if I want to snack after this lunch or if I just come back at dinner. Sometimes I just eat something light for dinner if I do something like this for lunch. But I will see you guys later. All right, guys, so I got a little kind of hungry, but I know that I want something, and I probably don't need to eat something like unhealthy, like chips or something. So I just decided to make a snack. So this is the Quakers rice cake. And it's the apple cinnamon one with a little of my favorite cookie butter that I showed you guys this morning from my oatmeal that I put in my oatmeal, the Trader Joe's one, with a half a banana sliced on top. And then I have my water, my lemon water as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and snack on this, and then I'm not gonna do a big snack because after this, I'll be off work shortly. The time right now is 3:25, so I'll probably try to pop it on the screen right here. 3:25, so I'm gonna work out once I get off work at 5, and then dinner time will be showing up to you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. So I am back from my walk. I did about a little over 4 miles, and now it's time for dinner. I don't know what I'm gonna eat because it is now 8:48, so it's a little late. I did my walk a little later today because I was editing a video. Make sure you go check that video out. Make sure you have your post notifications on so you don't miss any of my uploads, and you are subscribed to my channel as well. And speaking of subscribing, 60% of y'all are not subscribed to my channel, but you watch my videos. So we gonna let y'all go ahead and subscribe because it's free. That red button right at the bottom. Go ahead, we'll wait. Okay, so anywho, for dinner, I don't know if I just want to do a smoothie and keep it light or a salad. I'm honestly tired of salad, to be honest. I don't know. I'll show you guys what I come up with. I'm gonna go ahead and eat that before I get in the shower and just like calm down for the night. So I will show you guys what I'm about to eat for dinner. All right, guys, so I decided to do a Vietnamese spring roll, so watch me how I do this. All right, guys, so this is what I came up with. Some imitation crab meat and some shrimp Vietnamese spring rolls. This right here is sriracha sauce. This is oyster sauce with a little bit of sesame oil and topped with some green onions. I really like the oyster sauce with these Vietnamese spring rolls that I make. And that is what is for dinner. Before I forget to do an outro or anything like that, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's just like vlog type of what I eat in a day. Let me know what you guys think down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video.